Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. 9 and 1 half divided by 3 and 1 half. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's convert these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, so 9 times 2 gives us 18. So 18 plus 1 over 2 divided by 3 times 2 gives us 6. So 6 plus 1 over 2. 18 plus 1 gives us 19. So 19 over 2 divided by 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So 7 over 2. Now, this fraction divided by this fraction. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, 19 over 2. Okay. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, 2 over 7. So we have 19 over 2 times 2 over 7. These 2 and these 2 can cancel each other out. So we have 19 over 7. 19 over 7. Now, let's convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. 19 can be written as 14 plus 5 and over 7. 14 divided by 7 gives us 2. So 2 and 5 over 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 2 and 5/7.